a Sears portable color tube type TV. This was made by Toshiba, and I would estimate that it was made sometime around 1970 or so. Got the back over here. Okay. Model number is 562. I can barely see it here. 562-40280-002. And this is a hot chassis set. I have the isolation transformer in action here for additional safety when operating it outside of the case. Let's come around to the back here. And I think that this does have an instant on feature. See if I can detect any glow in the tubes. I sort of can, but it's kind of dull. It's a tube transistor hybrid set. You can see tubes back there. And there's some solid state components down in there. Okay, this does have instant on because there's no warm-up period.
Dolphin communication system, hoping to attract the dolphins to the cameras and to see if some kind of dialogue could be established. This early design recognized that dolphins vocalize at very high frequencies, allowing
Yes, the picture does need to warm up a little bit.
In very short periods, something like a computer modem.
I think this may need a new horizontal output tube, or it may just need some new filter capacitors.
A tape recorder that would
see the picture is not quite all there, but the color is functional.
The human hearing range. The second device, a synthesizer, Steve had programmed with real dolphin calls from the previous year. Dee Dee's signature whistle, for instance, which he could then play back to the dolphins.
How about if we assign one call to be like my identity sound, and I'll play that call whenever I have
CRT may be a little weak. Let's see if I can give it some more brightness.
They had no idea how the dolphins would respond to the synthesizer, if at all.
Yeah, that's about it.
When we first entered the water, we felt a little foolish, standing on the bottom with these two plastic boxes in our hands. We began to descend tail first from the surface. This was a very deliberate act, and not a normal way for a dolphin to swim. But it was the way Steve and I had descended, feet first. Steve let me have the headphones so I could hear the dolphins with the frequency step down. The results were amazing. Suddenly, the dolphins' world came alive.